InstantGMP's cloud-based inventory management system is GMP by design. Front-to-back inventory traceability gives you more confidence when ordering raw materials or shipping finished goods. Our inventory management can help you organize pick lists, ensure inventory values are accurate, and it comes with tools needed to implement the system faster. Let's take a look at what the system can do. Put in a requisition to show a material is on order, specify vendors, allocate for projects in advance, and email approved orders to appropriate personnel. Receive the material as it enters your facility. Upload vendor documentation like a C of A. And enter other critical information like the amount delivered or the vendor lot. I'll use the search bar to query a unique lot of material. If I click on the hyperlink, I can see this lot's history report. All interactions are signed with a 21 CFR compliant electronic signature, giving you the who, what, when, where, and why this lot was adjusted. Use our preset reports to help navigate costing, alert levels, and product traceability. If that doesn't work, then export our data to Excel for your own manipulation. InstantGMP's inventory management system will give you the traceability auditors want and bolster confidence in your inventory. Visit our website to learn more about our inventory management system and how you can join the hundreds of other companies using the platform. Thank you and have a wonderful